We're at Mickey's Oasis, Scarsdale, New York. Grill and barbecue. Mickey's Oasis Grill and Barbecue. Check this out. Got it? Thank you very much. 12 bucks. So I've been coming here many times, and I've always been trying to get the brisket sandwich, and he's always sold out. Today he finally has the brisket sandwich.
Okay.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Thank you. All right. This is it. Finally, the brisket sandwich here at Mickey's Oasis. It looks incredible. It's coleslaw on top. It's juicy. It's meaty. I'm excited. All right, Mickey himself is busy at work. Let's flip this camera over.
There you go, folks. It's Mickey's
Oh, that's beautiful.
Oasis. You're getting hungry just watching that.
Tell us about this. How long you been doing this?
Well, my friends had the truck here doing barbecue. That's Eddie. About 6 years. I've been cooking on and off a long time, but I've been doing this with him about 4.
4 years.
Yeah, so everybody loves it. The brisket, obviously.
It's a seller. Every time I come for the brisket, it's sold out. This is my first time actually trying it.
Yeah, well, we have it Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Yeah.
Because I come on Thursday and I start it. We do it like the evening before.
Yeah.
We don't have it. People get very mad.
Yeah, I come and I've always had the ribs. I've had the pulled pork, which is delicious, but I've been dying for the...
All right, so now you got your... he'll give you the critique after he eats it. I'm sure it'll be good. Come on down to Mickey's, folks.
There you go.
All right.
Thank you very much. Awesome. That's what it's all about. The history behind the food and good food. That's it. Food brings people together. Let's do it. Wow. Let's see if I got a nice shot of this. It's going to be a good one. The grease is just dripping. Wow, this is juicy. This is good. Wow. Oh man. This is good. Mickey's Oasis. I've driven by this place so many times. Past few months I've been stopping by. I tried their ribs, incredible, fall off the bone tender. I tried the pulled pork, delicious. Delicious barbecue sauce he puts on it. Juicy, tender, incredible. Mickey's Oasis is the truth. Wow. I'm definitely coming back for this again. Everything I had from this truck has been perfect. Mickey's Oasis. It's right off the Sprainbrook Parkway. Right on the side of the road, there's a parking lot. You gotta come early, Thursday, Friday, or Saturday for the brisket. Right and early. It's 12 o'clock right now. I had to come here early for this. You come at 1 o'clock, sold out. Make sure you get here early if you want to have the brisket. It sells out so fast. Wow, that's really good. Mickey's Oasis, Scarsdale, New York. Come down, do yourself a favor, and give them a try. Mickey's Oasis is literally on the side of the road. These barrels are what cook it all. Right here on the side of the road. Look at all these fresh fruits and vegetables. These fresh fruits and vegetables. Look at this guy. Look at these peppers. Look at all these peppers. Incredible.